I'm in long from 17,013.75. Whoa. And I got my profit target up around here. I may adjust it. We'll see. That'll be on this. This is one share of MNQ, which is basically the micro NQ, right? So every tick is like $2. So this will be about $72 at that current target. This thing could really launch up further today. I don't really care though, because I can only do one contract. This is a bare minimum account for futures. I like my chances here, though. I'm probably gonna adjust this higher too. I just think I should. But I'm gonna be in and out because this is just gonna take some time. We'll see what we get, but I moved my profit target up just a little bit. And hopefully we can go tag that area. All right, we're getting some movement, people. Yes, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Looking pretty good to hit this level. It could go a lot more too. It really could go a lot more. But there's only 2 hours left in the market, and nope, I'm not playing around. Exciting, yeah. God, that scared me. Wow. There we go. That's cool. Boom. Okay. This is a real account too, so I'm happy about this. This is very good. Cool. All right. Good stuff, folks. But yeah, nice solid trade. I knew I could get more out of it. It's always the case, but every once in a while, these things will just tick the level and just be little bastards, and break your heart. So that's annoying. So I want to avoid that. But Boom, baby. Good trade. That's a good solid trade, man. That was like 80, I think $82 or something like that. Pretty good. All right, well, we will see where this thing ends up, but I got the piece that I was interested in getting out of it, and that's gonna for sure be it for me for the day. This thing may keep ripping and roaring, but you know, maybe it won't, so we'll see.